Kolter Homes. Homes that are built around you. The Hudson floor plan offers a variety of unique personalization options both inside and out. Here we see the standard floor plan with its two-car garage and spacious foyer. Whether you want a golf cart garage or extra storage space, the Hudson plan offers multiple options that can meet your needs. Or with the three-car garage, the single front door becomes a double-door entry, and the den becomes your fifth bedroom. Now, let's take a look at the owner's bath on the second floor. While the standard plan offers everything you need, you can choose even more with the alternate bath layout that includes a side-by-side double vanity. In addition, this option expands the family room downstairs with a 4-panel slider that opens out to the lanai. Speak with a new home guide to explore the many ways you can have this floor plan built around you. With Kolter Homes, the choices are yours.